How to change two-factor authentication method on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up Facebook on a device. Tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down. Now tap on settings and privacy. Now simply tap on settings. Now go to account center. Now tap on password and security. Now tap on two-factor authentication. Now select your Facebook account. Now enter your password or you will get an email to log in. Now once you're done, simply scroll down. Now select the authentication method you want to choose. Now select the number and tap on next. Now wait for some time. Now enter the code and tap on next to confirm. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.